Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up a payment method in Facebook Marketplace. To get started, first open your Facebook app or go to Facebook on your browser. Once you're logged in, click on the menu icon at the top right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look to the left side menu and click on Account Settings. In General Account Settings, you will see Orders and Payments in the left side menu. Click on it. This will open up your payment settings. Here, you will see the option to add a payment method. You can choose between a credit or debit card, or you can link your PayPal account. Select the payment method that works for you. If you choose a credit or debit card, you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you choose PayPal, you'll be prompted to log in to your PayPal account and confirm the connection. Once you've entered all the necessary information, click Save. Your payment method will now be linked to your Facebook Marketplace account and you can use it for purchases. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.